Hey everyone, welcome back to Mickey is Messin' with Resin. My name is Mickey, so let's get to messin'. Today I'm going to do a bloom. Well, attempt to do a bloom, I should say. I've mixed up 4 ounces of the Hey Clear Super Clear Resin, and I put it in my Resiners Airless Pro bubble removing machine for about 10 minutes and let it warm up to about 35 degrees Celsius. I'm using 2 different colors for my bloom today, and you can see that I've got 2 cups and they have 20 grams of resin each. The mold I'm using today is called the Lotus mold, Lotus flower mold, and I got this from Pouring Your Heart Out. I'm using Baltic Day pigment paste. This is light blue, and I'm just putting a bit, just a dab, on the tip of a toothpick here. And I'm going to start by mixing that in first and see how much I'm going to need. You don't want it to be opaque, but you still want to be able to see your stick through the resin as you're stirring. This is the blue Baltic Day paste. Just getting this all mixed up and putting it in my piping bags so we can pipe in our bloom. Now I will link everything that I've used today in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Don't forget to give this video a like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot. I'm just getting started, so any likes and subs I can get would be greatly appreciated. Now I have sped this up in the interest of time, so that's why it seems like it's going a little fast. But I'm going to put you on to some music, and you can watch me get my blooms blooming. Okay, so here you can see that I've put some bits in the center. This is it's like a blue sea glass. I almost said grass. um, and I thought I'd try just a couple of drops of alcohol ink in the center to see if that makes a difference. I don't know if it did or not, looking at the end result, but we'll see. So we're just gonna let this cure up, and I'm gonna put a back coat on this. I've mixed up a blue mica powder with some black pigment paste to give it a dark color because I really want to have the blues of the bloom pop against this dark blue background. So we'll see how that works out. I'm usually about 25% with blooms, so we'll see if I actually achieve my goal. All right, so this was in my Resiners curing machine for about 2 hours. It's all cured up now. And we are about to see if I was successful at making a bloom. That blue color is pretty though. All right. Yes, I did it. I'm actually pretty pleased with myself, if I may say so. It turned out very pretty. Stay tuned to the end for some pretty cool AI pictures. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.